Ben, did you get wet?
I got wet. Yep.
You got wet? Let me see. Did you get wet, buddy?
Go into the wet.
Good afternoon. We are here in Universal's Islands of Adventure. We're going to go into Seuss Landing with our kids and we're going to ride everything. Everything. Because I think
Ben's tall enough for everything.
Ben's tall enough for everything.
Tall enough for everything.
Yeah, so we're going to ride all the rides and we'll take you along with us and let you know what everybody thinks.
Yeah.
Who is it, Brooke? The Who's? From the Grinch?
Those are the Who's.
Those are the Who's. What are they doing? Ben saw a hole, so he jumped into it. Uh-oh. Where does it go? Go.
Down, I think.
Go get him. Go get him. Take it.
Alright.
I'll meet you down there.
Going down the slide. What? Oh!
Uh-oh. Tara, look up. So, water features. We need to know about these.
Yes.
We'll come back dressed appropriately to do all the water stuff.
Yeah.
What is this? Insert camera for fun picture. Okay. What's in there, Tara?
Oh my goodness.
Yeah?
What is it?
Boogie, put your face in that way. Hello.
Oh, too tall. Too tall.
Yay!
What'd she do?
She made him come up.
Good job. Oh, Ben's on the run. It's a hat. Let's go.
We just rode on the Cat in the Hat ride. Ben was able to get on. He's just over 36 inches, which is the cutoff for the ride. And it was kind of like a dark ride, like the Winnie the Pooh ride, I would kind of say, where it takes you in and it spins you this way and that way. And very much like Toontown in Disneyland. Yeah. Where you're on a track, but it kind of moves and spins a little bit. But it goes through the whole story of the Cat in the Hat, and it was really cute.
Everybody loved it.
Everybody loved it. You ride this one?
No. All right, Aaron and the kids are going to ride the one fish, two fish, red fish, blue fish. It's a big spinny ride, so you won't see me on it because I'll get sick with motion sickness. But apparently you get wet on this one, and I don't think Aaron knows that. So I'm going to sit right here. You can see this, the red fish up here at the top. And then there's a couple other characters down the side. They spray here. So I'm going to sit here and watch and see what happens when they get hit with the water. Had some technical difficulties on the ride, so it's been a little while. I've moved around the way to get closer to one of these sprayers right here, so we'll catch maybe some of the sunset in the background too. Oh, you're moist.
I am wet. Your son's leaving us.
Yeah. Ben, did you get wet?
I got wet.
Yep.
You got wet? Let me see. Did you get wet, buddy?
Go into the wet.
Did you get wet? Uh-oh. It was funny, as soon as you guys went around the corner, I was like, uh-oh, that's a wet ride.
Yeah.
All right. Did I get wet? No. You going to the carousel? How was that ride, Tara?
Good. scared.
Oh, you liked it?
I was scared that the water was gonna like push me over.
Oh, jeez.
I was like, I don't want the water to
I
push
think
me
they might get some lawsuits if the water was that powerful.
Oh gosh.
Are you gonna go ride a carousel now?
Yeah. So drive me off a little bit.
So this carousel, you can like control the animals and make their heads spin and stuff.
What?
Yeah.
That's creepy.
Yeah, you don't just sit on them. They have like little control knobs and stuff.
Nice.
All right, the Caro-Seuss-el.
Yeah, you got your feet right there. Ben's is very tall. Brooke, what are you riding on?
So is mine, Mommy.
Tell me.
Mine is an elephant.
What color?
Pink.
Brookie, what are you on? It's very, very tall. Brookie, you're the same color as your elephant.
Mine's yellow.
Yours is yellow. Good job. Up you go. Oh yeah, and his tongue too. You like this one?
Cookie.
We're going into ride on the trolley.
All right, longest wait so far.
30 minutes. But
Yeah.
I don't feel like it's been that long.
It's been moving constantly though.
Yeah. And there's air movement.
I'm guessing this is the longest ride or the longest wait because it's starting to be sunset, so it's a pretty like over the park kind of view.
Yeah. So we're gonna go ride this, and Ben
Yep.
is again just tall enough to ride it. He's 2.5, and he's
Yep.
just over 36
Yeah,
inches.
I think he's like 37 because he's bonking his head on the little
Okay.
sticks. They're very diligent about that here.
They are. They check you on the way in and on the way on the
Yeah,
ride.
right before boarding. It's kind of weird. Alrighty.
That's good.
Yeah.
You don't want to ride if it's not safe.
Yep. That was a lot shorter than I was expecting.
Yeah.
It's two different tracks.
Yeah?
Two different things.
Is one longer?
Yeah.
Huh. Okay. It's a nice little ride though.
Yeah, I liked it. They go through the alphabet, the Seuss alphabet.
Got pulled in by the fudge.
Daddy, see how big this donut is?
Wow, that's a big donut.
Huge.
Oh my gosh. Is that a Homer?
Big donut.
It's like a Homer donut.
Oh, I can't stand.
Yeah. Those are pretty straightforward, aren't they?
Yeah.
As far as cupcakes go.
The Lorax is cool too.
Oh, are you riding with the police?
We were able to ride every ride in Seuss Landing. Ben was tall enough to ride everything, and the kids really had a good time today. It took us about 2 hours to get through the whole thing on a Sunday afternoon, and it's kind of a light crowd day, I would say.
Yeah.
We're not having to like push through anyway or not be able to get the stroller through. It's really pretty at Christmas because everything's decorated. It looks very much like Whoville. And I don't know if Brian got it earlier, but there is a family of Whos that walk around and they ride the rides with you, and it's really kind of neat. So, fun day today, first time for almost all of us, and I think we're gonna call it an evening. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.